Well, it is Monday and I am back in the office. I was in Delaware County, Pennsylvania this morning representing a client. I was in Gloucester County, New Jersey in the afternoon session for a different client. And now I'm back in the office in Morristown, New Jersey. It's been a very, very busy day, a busy week ahead of us in both Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Had a question today regarding preliminary hearings in Pennsylvania. And this is a topic that I've discussed a lot with clients and their families, and a lot of friends have asked me about it, and they're concerned when their case is held for trial or their attorney has advised them to waive the preliminary hearing, or they believe the preliminary hearing did not go well because a case was held for trial. So it's important to understand that a preliminary hearing isn't a trial. It may feel like a trial because there's a judge, there's a witness testifying, there may be objections, and there's a ruling at the end. But your attorney should have explained to you that a preliminary hearing is not a trial. It's a prima facie evidentiary hearing where the prosecution, through the ADA, the DA's office in whatever county you're in, is putting on that evidence and asking the court to hold the matter for trial. So basically, they're trying to identify whether or not it was more probable than not that a crime occurred and the person being accused of it is the right person. So it's a very, very low evidentiary burden. It's similar to a civil burden of proof, and it's probably even lower than that in some cases. So in many situations, a case is held for trial. It doesn't mean that you have a bad case. It doesn't mean that your attorney made the wrong decision proceeding with the hearing. Again, in most situations, if you're doing the hearing, there's a reason why you're doing it for strategy purposes, to set up pretrial motions, to test the case, or because you know your client's not going to be eligible for a diversion program, or perhaps your client doesn't want a diversion program for various reasons. One, because they flat out didn't do what they're being accused of doing and do not feel comfortable simply admitting to something through a diversion program that they didn't do, and that's obviously understood. And the second reason is that there could be some civil aspect of this, for instance, in the case of a fight, where even a diversion type disposition may save you from criminal consequences, but still open the door for a lot of civil litigation, civil lawsuits, which could cost you quite a bit of amount of money. So that's the aspect that you're looking in that situation. Now, in that situation, usually we're in contact with the person's personal injury lawyer or, personal injury defense lawyer, because they're being sued. But we're getting a better landscape of the land and understanding the person's reasonings for proceeding in a certain way. I always advise clients to understand the decision is theirs, but I'm providing the advice and counsel that I'm being paid to provide, and also giving my experience and training in these matters and what could happen following this preliminary hearing. But if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Website, gamboandlaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All of my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. Remember, preliminary hearings are unique to Pennsylvania. New Jersey does not have the same system. It has an indictment system. You can challenge probable cause in New Jersey like you can in Pennsylvania, but it's just a different process. They use different terminologies in New Jersey than they do in Pennsylvania. I'm going to link in the article that I did about preliminary hearings once again, so it gives great information, a great overview on the system. But again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Have a great Monday. Have a great week. It is raining. It's not stopped raining for 3 days, and hopefully it'll stop raining tonight. But have a great day, and I'll talk to you all very soon.